Hi, this is Alan from Ripperton Resources LLC, and today I want to announce our newest product, and that's Packout and Wall mounts for the 3033-20 M18 Fuel Hedge Trimmer. We will carry the Packout mounts in red and black. Likewise, we will carry the wall mounts in red and black. To install the Packout mount, simply push the mount into the Packout wall as such and push it down. It locks into place using these tabs. To release the Packout mount, simply push it on the tabs and push straight up and pull out. To install the trimmer onto the Packout mount, simply push it into place. To remove it, lift up and pull out. You can install the tool with one hand. You can remove the tool with one hand as well. The wall mount works in the same way that the Packout mount does, except it's mounted to the wall. We have 4 holes to choose from. You have your choice on how you want to mount this. These accept a number 10 or a 5mm fastener. You can obtain a drawing of the hole pattern from our website. These are in stock and can be purchased today. You can find more information about these mounts and other tool mounts from Milwaukee Tools at rippertonresources.com. Ripperton Resources offers 3D design, 3D scanning, and 3D printing services. We can work with a wide range of materials, from general purpose materials to engineering materials to high performance materials and even ultra performance materials. Nearly all of our Milwaukee tool mounts are suggestions from customers. We've worked with them to provide a solution, and then we've made those available to you. If you have a custom application or product idea, we'd love to discuss it with you and show you how we can bring that idea to reality. For more information, you can visit our website at rippertonresources.com, or you can email us directly at contact@rippertonresources.com. Thank you and have a great day.